Hello there. What is your plan for 2024? Is part of your plan to study abroad, travel abroad? If yes, this video is for you and you're on the right channel. Today we'll be talking an opportunity that is currently in Austria that will enable you to travel to Austria, study for free, and also this opportunity will enable you to relocate with your family. We mean no tuition fee will be paid. Rather, they will be paying you once you resume your program. Before we proceed, we want to say thank you to all our return viewers, and this is your boy Jackpa Connect. On our channel, we talk about relocation, traveling abroad, we talk about available scholarship, and I want to say big thank you to all our return viewers, big thank you to all subscribers. Big thank you. And the most important thing I want to say today is we noticed that over 95% of our return viewers have not yet subscribed. What are you waiting for? Please subscribe now and turn on your notification bell to be receiving video like this, and not after 3 months you'll be saying it. Please turn on your notification bell and subscribe. And the most important above all is share this video, because you do not know who you'll be helping with this video, because information is power. Many people do not know about this information I'm about to share now, and you might be helping someone to achieve his or her goals in 2024, and believe me, that person will never forget you for life. Let's go straight to the point. This particular opportunity we're talking about is going to enable you to relocate with your family. This particular opportunity is an opportunity that when you start your program, they will be paying you monthly allowance. And there is something we call legalization in Europe. Not generally in Europe, but in some parts of Europe, in some countries. Before you go for a course, before you go for a particular school in most of these countries, they require you to do what they call legalization, whereby you go to the embassy to submit your credentials for them to do a verification. Well, it's a process. We've talked about it in our previous video, so you can go through of some of our videos to see how we explain about legalization. So because of time, we will not be talking about it today. So I would rather suggest you go to the previous video and watch about what we talk on legalization, and for you to understand it. So you will not be doing legalization before the admission. That will be coming after the admission. And I will advise you guys, you that is watching this video, to take action immediately, because deadline is January 2024, around 8 or 9 2024. So I'll be showing you guys on my laptop this particular institution that I'm talking about, and I'll be showing you guys how to navigate as well. So stay tuned, and please remember, share this video. The most important thing, share this video, because you don't know who you'll be helping. Information is power. Thank you for watching. Let's go to the laptop.
Hey guys, like I said earlier on, I'll be showing you guys on how to apply and how to navigate on the in-school website. So first, all we need to do is open your Google, then you can type ISTA. First of all, I want you guys to know that do not panic because of the PhD. If you don't want to go for the PhD, fine. But the reason why I'm using PhD is going to give us the fast track in order for us to navigate it faster rather than going straight to the home page. So going through this means is going to help us fast to navigate. That is the reason why I am using PhD. So the full meaning of this ISTA is Institute of Science and Technology, Austria. That is the full meaning of the ISTA. So let's hit and let's go straight. So it's going to open like this on your, if you are following me, this is going to open. Then you can click on this, Now you can see everything here. You can download the instruction. You can see if you want to apply, you can apply straight. Now, like I said earlier on, I told you guys not to panic in it. So now you can see here what it says. We are looking for highly qualified candidates with a bachelor or master's degree, and these are the courses they are looking for people for. So you can check the one you are qualified for and apply for it. And what I would say is also what I can boost and give you higher opportunity is your personal statement. So on your personal statement, I would say try as much as possible to relate it to the course you've chosen that you want to go for. Make sure you explain in details. Make sure you answer all the question up front and do not wait for them to ask you a question before you answer it. Think outside the box and give all the answers you think they might ask you and put it on the SOP, and that will help in order for them to make decisions. So if you scroll down, you're going to see the rest of the things that you need to know. Now these are for those that want to go for the internship summer program, which that is not the one we're going for, and this is the particular we're going for. So you can see all the instructions, you can see the deadline. This is the deadline. Application deadline is 8th of January, like I said earlier on, and this is the time it's going to close, and that is it. And these are the things that you need to know. So please guys, I'm going to say do not forget to share this video, because you do not know who you will be helping with this information. So we have our next video that we'll be doing next. I will say please turn on the notification bell so that you do not miss this video. Believe me, you're gonna love it. It's a full loaded information that many of you have been looking for, and this information is gonna help so many people. So once again, I want to say thank you in advance for sharing, and thank you for subscribing to our YouTube channel. Thank you.